Hey, good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons at plumbing trade. Going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's plumbing adventure, excuse me, I'm on a renovation, and we had a sewer job, cast iron, that we're going to tie into. They don't want to change the sewer, but before we make all these connections in the basement, we want to double check this sewer line, see where it goes, and see what kind of condition it is in. And with that, we got the rigid sea snake camera. Let's check it out. Here's our cast iron lateral. Here it is. You'll recognize this lateral. We just cut this out last week. We're going to get the shots, folks. We're going to get the shots. Oh, shit. My SDR card's in my bag. Let's just see what we got.
I'll grab it.
You gonna grab it?
So I have to do it twice.
Guess that. They're all in there. Bring the whole bag in.
Because on first.
Because
bag in the van?
yes, in my front pocket. I cleaned them all up and got rid of some old footage. And sanitized them. Alright, push the rails. Little house project here. And before we tie this whole sewer into a cast iron line that's original, we want to make sure that it's clear. What's worse than doing a whole renovation, leaving the sewer line to find out that it's clogged? Been there before, and we highly recommend they change it, but no one wants to change it, so I told my camera just so I feel good about it. So we're going to see what we got here.
Price.
Who?
Gary.
Oh. No.
What's his house?
Whee!
Won't get off the bat. Won't get off the bat.
Wow, look at all that shit in there.
Wow.
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 Wow. It's all right there. Probably when they broke it or cut it.
Yeah, we'll take this plug out and do it. I want to see what way it goes. We're 10 feet in. Oh, what's that? No hub clamp? Right there's a no hub clamp.
So it goes.
Which way to turn? Does
Right.
it turn there?
Yeah.
That's a 45, right?
Yeah.
Alright, now to the right.
So it looks like that way. Side street.
Oh, here's some water. Why does it got water in it?
Yeah. Obviously it's holding water. Is that rotted out at the bottom?
Here, roll that back.
I can, yeah.
Going down. Right there, huh? It's really in bad shape.
You recommend to change it?
Yeah. I'd like to find out. Oh, is that another turn?
Yeah.
17 feet out. It makes another turn. Is that past the side of the building though?
No, definitely not.
So that was a 45-45 maybe. Now we're going straight out.
Probably.
We're going to get the locator.
Yeah.
I took it off the truck though.
It's fine. It's raining.
Cobwebs. Been a couple days. We're 25 feet in.
A lot of cobwebs. That looks cracked. Go back. Can't see. It's getting so foggy.
Yeah, it's just
Too many cobwebs. Right there, right there. See that?
It's probably a no. Oh,
Right here.
on the bottom.
Yeah.
Could be. The bottom goes first. Yeah, she's in bad shape. We're recording for them guys too, so I can submit this to them guys.
Yeah.
And I seen the fittings for cleanouts.
It's a long run.
Yep, 44 feet. What I'll do is I'm gonna call the city for a mark out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hope it goes straight out the side of the house, you know?
That's what it looks like. Dude. Only 245 turns.
Yeah.
Oh, is that correct? It's a hole.
Oh yeah. Could be something at the 52-foot mark. I'll show you the wipes in.
Do you have something on your back?
Yeah. They're in the front seat, Chucky. 62 feet, still running. Only good thing is we have good pitch most of the way here that I see. Oh, another fitting here. Another 45. Wow. Wow. Chuck, come check this out. So I'm 70 feet out, right?
Yeah.
And I come up to, it looks like a 45, or maybe the pipe's just kicked. And then look, it goes down.
Down.
Yep. Another 45 or something crazy. So I don't want to take it no further in case we get stuck, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I pulled out. You going down right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
What's all going on here?
I don't know.
All right, let's start rolling it up. 72 feet out we got, and this is, we'll call this 10 feet. So 62 feet, 60 feet out, there's something going on. I'm going to say it's the connection. Where? This thing right here is like a Y.
You want to
I want to see where it, yeah, I want to see where it goes.
There's too many rocks. Oh, wait there. Go forward. Yeah, it just ties in right there.
Is there a hole in the pipe?
I don't know.
That's not, I don't want to play with this.
Is that it right there?
It's probably a Y on its back, maybe.
You can't see anything.
It's so corroded.
Yeah.
Alright. Real slow. It could be something right here where we can't see it because it's so low.
Yeah. There's too many rocks. Oh, right there. Go forward. Yeah, it just ties in right there.
Is there a hole in the pipe?
I don't know.
That's not, I don't want to play with this.
Is that it right there?
It's probably a Y on its back, maybe.
You can't see anything.
so corroded.
Yeah.
Alright. Real slow. It could be something right here where we can't see because it's so low.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you can put that right. I'm gonna take this out. I'll be honest with you, I like to cut it right here.
Well, you also, yeah, because you don't know what's going to happen. Because they might just change the whole thing.
I'm gonna cut it right here. Get rid of this Y. Put a 4x3 no hub on its back. Y. New clean out. And if they're gonna keep it without changing it, we can jet it once we find a clean out front.
Roger.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that makes no sense. Hello.
CB2. Our apprentice. Going to apprentice school. There you have it. We got a original cast iron sewer. And it probably goes out to the side of that building towards them flowers. 60 feet. All cast iron. And we'll see. We can only advise. We can only advise to put a new sewer in. If they listen, is another story. I told them they needed one from the beginning. They said they wanted to wait and see. We'll see. We'll see on the wait and see. Until then, we'll see you at the next one, folks. Have a great day.